G'day guys, Neil here. I just want to show you how I upgraded the Challenger's high beam globes to LED. I did this a while ago and it's been really useful out in the bush. The Challenger's a 2013 model, so I replaced the original halogen globes with bright white LEDs. And it's very easy to do on your vehicle. Out in the bush, obviously, there's no street lamps, so you need good lights. Plug and play LED globes are easy to fit, last for up to 10 years, and they're probably going to be at least 3 times brighter. Very handy at night on a bush track. The first job is to identify the globe you need for your vehicle. In my case, I needed 2 HB3s, and I chose Gemtech 9005s because they're good quality but at a realistic price. I checked on the website and at the moment Gemtech have these for under $80 each. The rest is pretty easy. Fitting them to the Challenger meant removing the windscreen washer reservoir and then just unplugging the original halogen globes and plugging in the LEDs. You can also replace the parking globe, but I didn't think that was necessary. My main concern was high beam. HB3s are a common high beam only globe. The globes are polarity conscious, so check it's in the right way before you reinstall it, and it won't work if you've got it in the wrong way round. Make sure when you've fitted it that the actual LEDs are facing sideways. So this is the orientation you want. From the front, like that. With the LEDs either side. If it's not, the beam will be scattered. That means for a single filament globe, like these on the Challenger, the LEDs are on either side and they should be at 3 o'clock and the 9 o'clock positions. So I fitted mine, then I put the reservoir back in place and I tested the high beam. It all looks good. The spotlights are also LED, so I have plenty of light. Okay guys, thanks for watching.